Hello friends, this is Jan and welcome to your channel Jan as Mommy. In this video, I am going to show you 19 home decorative items which I have got recently from online shopping. It's been 2 years we are in this home and we never decorated our home. If you have watched my home tour video, you will know I keep things very simple and you will not see much home decorative items. I can't delay it more and finally decided to decorate our home. Out of these 19 products, most of them are from Amazon and few items from Home Center. When it comes to online shopping, we have to consider few things. I had 3 things in my mind before I purchased the stuff. Number 1, the product which we are going to buy should enhance the existing beauty of our home. Rather, it should not spoil the look. Number 2 is quality. We don't get a chance to look the product in person in online. So they will be uploading some images and we are going to check those images and we are going to purchase it, and we don't have any clue on how the product will look. In that case, I read the complete description of the products, the dimensions and all the reviews and the images which they have given. I have analyzed each and every product before I purchase it. Number 3, last but not least, it should be budget friendly. The purchase link of all the products are given in the description box down below. Do check it out. And if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Let's see what are the items I have got. First one we are going to see is potpourri. It is a mixture of dried things, especially from plants, like dried petals and spices, which is placed in a bowl to perfume your room and used as a home decor as well. It will give a pleasant and mild scent to your home. Potpourris are very cost effective. It does not need any electricity or battery power to run. Dried flowers can last anywhere from 2 months to 20 years depending on the chosen blend. I have got 3 different fragrances from Home Center and it is starting from ₹49. You can check out their wide range of fragrances. Usually potpourris are kept it in glass jar or ceramic bowls. I prefer to keep it in glass jars. A wide ranges of glass jars are available in Home Center. They do have an online shopping site and they have an app as well. You can buy from anyone among these. Here in a long glass jar, I am adding my favorite colored pebbles. A lot of pebbles collections are available in Amazon. You can check it out. Then I am going to add one of the potpourri which I have got. Dried flowers and other parts of the plants are artificially colored and they are added with the synthetic perfumes. The color of this potpourri is so appealing and it is perfect for festivals. It smells so amazing as well. The small dried flower parts are looking so cute and I feel like eating this. This potpourri is perfectly kept next to the Buddha. Also, you can keep it in your puja room. And if you have watched my home tour video, you know that I already have some potpourri. I'm just taking out the flowers and big parts of the existing potpourri. I'm going to mix the balance potpourri which I have used for the long glass here. Next one I got is potpourri spray. The one which I have got is Seaside Marine Potpourri Spray from Home Center. The price of this is $249. Fragrances will suit your mind and soul. This potpourri spray shall make your living space scented with a sweet, fresh aroma and that refresh you. I purely chose this product because of the wonderful turquoise color. Let me show you how you can use it. You can just spray this perfume onto the potpourri. These potpourri sprays are especially made for potpourris, and the smell will last for a week. Next, we are going to see printed ceramic bowls. It is a set of 3 bowls. The packing is just awesome. None of the products were damaged. It is very safely delivered as well. The bowls are printed with Mandarin designs. It also has a bird in one of the bowls, and 2 other bowls are having flower prints. Let's see how I have used these bowls for decorations. I have kept these bowls in one of the TV shelves. These black and white bowls are just suited my black and white theme of the home. I'm so happy with this product. The quality is too good. This set of 3 bowls is 299 rupees. So each bowl is costed around 100 rupees, which is very reasonable. Next we will see tea light candles. A festival will never gets completed without lights. This is scented smokeless tea light candles, which is coming in a pack of 20 pieces. I will show you how I have used these candles for decoration. I am going to place it on my rangoli. These tea light candles are best suited for colorful rangoli. These tea lights will just enhance the beauty of the rangoli. The price of these 20-piece tea lights is rupees 145. Next we are going to see is wall hanging. This is coming as a pack of 2. You cannot order one item. The minimum quantity for ordering is 2. It has colorful bells which are hung on a string, and it has colorful beads as well. The price of one piece is 196. The bells are not made of wood. Those are metallic bells hung on a wooden piece with the help of a thread. They have decorated the thread with colorful beads. I just love these colorful bells. The color combinations are just awesome, and it will surely bring a lot of positivity. I'm going to hang these wonderful decorative bells next to my crockery unit. You can hang this decorative piece as per your desired height by adjusting the string given on the top. My little one loved this decor item because of the colorful bells. A lot of different designs are also available. Don't forget to check those also before you are buying. Next we will see aroma burner. The minimum order quantity for this product also 2. You can't buy this product in a single piece. You have to buy at least 2 products. I am not much satisfied with the packing. It is like some cake box. But the product is not damaged at all. You can just plug in this aroma burner. The design of this wood carving is just awesome. There is a plate given on top of it, and that's where you are going to keep your karpoor. This mini portable machine will spread out the fragrance all over. It is direct plugging system and no hassle of wire. Just plug and switch on to see the magic. Let's see how to use this aroma diffuser. I'm going to plug this mini wooden diffuser in my puja unit. The wonderful wood carving in the diffuser just beautified my puja unit. I'm going to place karpooram on the plate which is given. Take 2 to 3 karpur and place it on the plate given. Now switch it on. You should see a red light like this. This light indicates that your diffuser is working. I have also tried keeping agarbatti cones. It didn't work out really well with agarbatti cones, but it made wonders when I kept karpur on it. It just spreaded the fragrance all over the room. You can see the fumes which is coming out. It didn't leave any black smoke which needs to be considered. The price of a single product is 221 rupees. Next we are going to see scented smokeless candles. These are mini jar scented smokeless candles which is coming in a pack of 6. If you are a fragrance lover, then you should try this. Let's see what are those 6 fragrances it has. It has lemongrass, it has the blueberry, it has the wild jasmine, it has a sea breeze, it has the vanilla, and the traditional fragrance sandalwood. These jars are so cute and very small, and it has a golden color lid. These candles are one of the best home decors. This set of 6 pieces are 279 rupees, which is quite reasonable. Let's see how I have used these candles for decoration. I have just kept these candles next to the Buddha. It just added more beauty to this place. I tried using blueberry fragrance. These candles are made from high grade wax, and I could see smoke-free flames. Next we are going to see traditional door hanging. I was looking for a combination of traditional and stylish door hanging, and finally got this. It has the Ganesha or Vinayakar and leaves and pearls. This is really looking awesome when compared to the picture which is shown in the purchase site. This is looking more good than what I expected. These decorative torans are best for any festival. It is ideal to stick in any home entrances or in God's room. It is coming with a price 269 rupees. I hang this decorative toran in my house entrance door. Next we are going to see my most favorite one, battery string light. This product is coming with 20 LED lights tied on a string. The string is 2 meter length. It is battery operated one, and the battery used here is CR2032. It is best for DIYs and any decorations. There is a thin film in the battery which is kept to disable the battery. When you are going to use, just remove the thin film and start using the battery. There is on-off button to switch on and switch off the lights. These are safe, low consumption lights. The lights are just awesome. Instantly it gave a positive energy around. It is coming as a pack of 2. These 2 meter LED decorations light are made of flexible copper materials which can be bent and shaped easily. The LED copper string light is waterproof. Each light uses 2 CR2032 batteries and which are included. Let's see how I have used these lights for home decors. I am just going to keep this string in the long glass jar. Before using, make sure you take out this transparent film. This will enable the battery. Then click on the on button in the switch. Handle it gently, unwind the string very carefully. I am just placing the string in the long glass. It just made the place very beautiful. The life of the battery is up to 72 hours. You can also place these strings on any glass jars, adding some pebble to add more beauty to it. Also, you can keep it in a glass bowl. Add in your favorite pebbles and keep the string on it, and it is going to enlighten the place. I feel like I'm holding some magical bowl. You can also keep it on top of the potpourri. Pack of 2 strings is costed 299 rupees. Next we are going to see LED tea lights. These are flameless, smokeless, plastic decorative candles coming in a pack of 10. The package is not so good, so check each and every light once after you buy this. Make sure all the tea lights are working well. These LED tea light candles are perfect home decor for people who do not want the hassle of burning candle. These round shaped tea lights give yellow color light. It has a LED light which is operated by battery, and the battery is included, which is non-replaceable. It is a use and throw product. You can use these lights for decoration by keeping it in a glass jar. Small glass jars are perfect for this. Add in some colorful pebbles and add one tea light. Your DIY home decor is ready. Put on your own creativity and create awesome products. I kept these small jars in my TV unit. It's looking just awesome. These tea lights are coming in a pack of 10 and is costed 299 rupees. You can also keep these tea lights in lantern. When I kept it in the lantern, these lights are looking like a natural lamp. I have also kept one tea light in the Buddha decor. It just made the Buddha look so awesome. You can also use it in your puja room or puja unit for decorations. Also, you can use it in your rangoli. Next, we are going to see welcome frame for home. The seller of this product is Varna Crafts. This decor is made up of wood, and this is blonde color with the laser cut flowers and a bird on it. This is so solid and it comes in 2 layers of wood. The price of this wonderful piece is rupees 400. I feel this product is much reasonable for this price. The quality is too good. I was looking for some stylish home decor for my entrance home door. This is the right product I have got. I am just going to place it on my door using 3mm transparent two-way sticker. This product just goes really well on my door. This decor is not so fancy, but it gives a good look to your home. You can also paint it in golden color to give a new look. I like the way it has come, the blonde color. Next is the handcrafted wooden tray. This is a handmade and handcrafted wooden serving tray, but we are going to use it for decorative purpose. I should say the package was really awesome. It took almost 10 to 15 minutes to open the parcel. It was that good. This wooden tray is from Amazon and it is same like how they have shown in the picture. It is a multi-purpose tray. It can be used to hold all your candles. It gives a traditional look, at the same time it is very stylish. You can also use this tray as a snack tray or kitchen tray. Also to display the home decors. I am going to use it in my dining table. I have kept a plant. Also kept a glass mason jar where spoons and forks are kept. The price of this wooden tray is 329 rupees. Next one we are going to see is framed paintings. This is also packed really well. These are delivered without any damage. This is coming as a set of 4. These 4 paintings have motivational quotes related to success. The quality of the product is very nice. It can be used as home decor and also you can use it for gifting purposes. Great things never came from comfort zones. I love the quotes written on the frames. I love to read a lot of motivational quotes and love to watch a lot of motivational videos. This product really amazed me. Proceed as if success is inevitable. Wonderful thought. Backside it has a hook which can be used for hanging the paintings. These frames has a matte finish painting and it includes a good quality frame and it does not include any glass along with the frame. I am not going to use the hook which is given for hanging. I have just used 3mm transparent two-way sticker to paste the paintings on the wall. These frames and the motivational quotes in it goes really well in my office room. Recently I have created this corner for my office work. I really need some motivations in between my work. So kept one of the frames in my office setup. The best way to get something done is to begin. This quote is just awesome. This set of 4 frames is costed 379 rupees. Next we are going to see storage holder. This storage holder is made of acrylic material. It has 6 slots in it. As this product is clear, it is best for organizing anything. The package is not up to the mark, but the product was good, it is not damaged. Make sure they have a return policy before you buying this. As these are made of plastics, it is tend to get damaged. It is so sleek and wonderful. This is one of the best organizers to hold small things. It has 6 slots and the slots can be adjusted. This wonderful product is costed rupees 445. I tried keeping all my remote controls and the look was really awesome. Even I can keep all my small remote controls. And moreover, it has adjustable slots. You can adjust the size of the slots as per the things you are going to keep with this transparent blocker. I have also used this transparent organizer to keep my makeup stuff, especially nail polishes. I am a big fan of Color Show nail polishes. I have almost all the colors in it. This storage organizer is just best for holding the nail polishes, and you can keep nail polish removers and other kajal stuff. You can also keep your pocket perfume in the small slot given. Also you can keep your makeup sponges. Next we are going to see scented candle pillar with beautiful golden grid. The outside of the package is really vast, but the candle is kept safe in bubble wrap. Also it is covered with another paper to keep the candle safe. Look-wise, the product is so beautiful. It will add glow as well as elegance to your home. I just chose this product for the golden color grid it has. It is perfect for any festival. If you are a fan of a vanilla fragrance, then you should go for this product. Every candle will have their unique fragrances because of the essential oil used in it. It will provide a celebration for all your senses, transforming your surroundings with elegant looks and enticing fragrances that makes every day extraordinary. This is best for living room, crockery unit, or even you can keep it in the dining room. I have kept next to the Buddha. The vanilla fragrance is all around my home. You can also keep it in your puja unit. This home decor adds glow, at the same time it gives good fragrance and the look is also elegant. This wonderful home decor is costed 599 rupees. Next we are going to see artificial mini money plant. These money plants comes as a set of 2. It looks real enough and adds a touch of nature to your space. These plants have come in white plastic planter, which gives a look of a ceramic pot. This set of 2 is costed rupees 399. These are much suitable for indoor as well as outdoor use. I have used these plants as a bathroom decors. Next one we are going to see is another artificial plant with oval pot. The leaves are just looking like a real plant and it is costed 390 rupees. Next we are going to see lantern which can be hanged and it is with tea light candle. The material of this lantern is iron. Down below it has a slot to keep tea light. I am using this lantern for almost 6 months. Still it is very well and the metal is not rusted. It came as set of 2. Even single pieces are also available. Set of 2 lanterns costed 399 rupees. A wide range of colors are available and you can choose your favorite one. Next we are going to see reed diffuser. This is one of my most favorite home decors. It has around 8 reed sticks and the capacity of the pot is 100 ml. Reed diffusers delivers fragrance with a simple wick system. These reed sticks have minute pores in it, through which fragrance oil seeps up and disperses scent into the air. I have got black and white diffusers to match the theme. Single piece costed rupees 175. It is the safest fragrance diffuser. It spreads mild fragrance without use of heat or flame. Let's see how to use this. I'm throwing out the reeds which I have been using it for quite few months. I'm going to add new reeds. I will be using around 5 numbers of reed sticks. Add in around 30 ml of reed diffuser oil into the ceramic pot. The pot holds 100 ml of oil, but I am adding just 30 ml. A lot of diffuser oils are available in the market. After adding oil into the ceramic pot, add in the reed sticks. Keep the reed sticks inside the bottle to absorb the diffuser oil. Flip sticks so that the dry side of the sticks is now closest to the bottle and the saturated end is in the air. Reed diffusers will continue to evaporate into the air and spreading good smell to your room and your space. You can use it in bathroom as air freshener or you can also keep it in your living space. the product buying links are updated below in the description box. Don't forget to check it out. Guys, that's it about this video, and I have covered almost 19 items in this video. Hope you liked the video. Give a thumbs up by hitting on the like button which is down below. And if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And hit on the bell icon which is down below to get more notifications from the channel. Stay tuned for more excited and informative videos. I will surely come up with another wonderful video. Until that, take care. Bye-bye.